Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and right now I am sitting in this beautiful chair that I got from the company EMIAH. Let me show it to you up close and let me get out of it. First off, it is very padded right here. So it is extremely comfortable when you're sitting on it. Second, the color. So not to state the obvious, but it's beautiful and it's pretty easy to clean with a microfiber cloth. And these gold accents are just so nice. They make this chair look modern and elegant. And this little lever right here is where you will adjust the height, and it also controls the tension so you can recline. This is everything that came in the box, the base, the metal rod, and it was all packaged very, very carefully, so nothing was damaged. As a content creator, I love the way this chair looks on camera, but hey, that's just my point of view.